So guys, today in this video, we will learn how you can solve the timeout warning problem on Snapchat because recently a lot of users are facing this problem. Before solving the timeout warning issue, it is very important to know what is actually is. Basically, this issue occurs when there is an issue in your network connection and because of that the Snapchat server is not able to respond on time. And the second reason is temporary account lock, the main reason for which is suspicious activity or violations like spamming terms of service. So let us find out how you can finally resolve the Snapchat timeout warning. First of all, friends, you have to check your internet connection and try turning the internet on and off. And in our second step, simply restart your app, Snapchat application or phone. And friends, in our third step, simply clear the cache of Snapchat's application. And in our fourth step, you have to check in your Play Store and App Store if any update is available of Snapchat application. Then simply update your Snapchat application. And guys, your issue will be resolved. And guys, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.